Okay.
Do you like talking with people?
Yes, of course. I always like to talk people because when we communicate with people, it's very good for us. We share our knowledge and we share different things that we doesn't know.
That we don't know.
That we don't know earlier. So communication.
We didn't know earlier.
We didn't know earlier. So communication is very good.
Okay,
And
so
I
therefore
always
I love to chat with my friends
chat
and
with friends
family.
and family.
Say something, listen, top word is talk. For
Okay.
talk, you can use chat, discuss, have a conversation, converse. This is what examiner wants to see. That
Okay.
for chat, you used 5 different words, okay? They are important.
Okay.
Let's go on.
Would you prefer to study alone or with others?
I always prefer study with. I always prefer group study because firstly, group study. When we group studied, we share we share lot of ideas that everyone have. So
Everyone has.
So group study, I think, is better than studying
Okay,
alone.
now for group study, what are the other words? What are the words? Combined
Combined
study,
study.
studying with other
Studying with
friends,
others,
collective study, yeah. So just use a variety of words, okay? Let's go on.
How do you like spending time with your friends?
I usually spend time with my friends when I am free. We go to cinema and explore some new things, new historical places, and some new restaurants that we never visited before.
Okay, so just try to organize your answer properly and use some connecting words. For example, how do you like spending time with your friends? First of all, whenever I am with my friends, we prefer going to the cinema and we watch a good movie, as I like horror movies. Secondly, sometimes we go to the cafe together, just like that, okay? Variety of ideas, and then automatically your vocabulary set will change, your sentence structure will change, and you need a lot of practice with all this stuff, okay? Thank you. Good job.